Hey there, Dr. Woolner here, and in this video I'm going to share with you step number 4 to creating lasting changes. This is a really simple step, but a really critical step. You know, so often what can sabotage us in our quest for kind of making true permanent changes in our life is our own self. That's typically how it goes, you know, our emotions can get in the way. And so what we're going to be talking about in this video is this concept or this idea of minimizing deviations, right? So anytime you go about making some sort of a quest for a change, what you have to recognize right out the gate is you're not going to be perfect, right? Perfection is not a state of being. Perfection is a quest, right? That's what we're working towards each and every day. So inevitably, as we try to make lasting changes, we're going to make mistakes. We're going to fail. You're going to fudge on your diet. You're going to get up one morning and you're going to be lazy and you're not going to go to the gym. You're going to not take that step that you need to take, right? You're going to make that mistake. It's okay. Recognize that you're going to make deviations, okay? But here's the secret, right? Using an analogy of an airplane. If an airplane goes from point A to point B, they don't go with one straight shot, right? That's not how it goes. What the plane is constantly doing is the pilot is constantly making course corrections, because typically they're going to make these minimal deviations, you know, a few degrees off. But if they didn't make those course corrections, that minimal deviation at that point, miles and miles down, is going to get them hundreds of miles off course, right? So that's what the pilot is doing, is constantly making those course corrections. So here's how you make your course corrections. First, go back to step 1. We talked about that compelling vision. That compelling vision is going to be the glue that's going to keep everything together, that's going to help you minimize these deviations in your life. When you mess up, when you make a mistake, when you fail a day on your diet, recognize it for what it is. It's not a total failure. It's not a total wash. And that's too often what happens, is we get cloudy judgment and emotionally based thinking, where we think, oh, I messed up, so everything's screwed up, so I'm done for, and that's it. But instead, what we need to recognize we need to recognize it for what it truly is. We made a mistake, minimize that deviation, make that course correction based off of that compelling vision that you created in the beginning. And this is going to be the way that you're going to make it towards those lasting changes, is by recognizing that each day is a new day for us to kind of start over. So if you mess up, don't create that into this big major deviation miles off course. Recognize it, make the minimal course correction back towards that compelling vision, and that's what's going to help you stay the course to create those lasting changes. So hopefully you got a lot out of this. Hopefully you can take this now in turn and make your minimize those deviations that you make in your life. So thanks, and we'll look forward to seeing you on the next video.